RHS Pre-Calculus presents The Architect.
Hey, I'm Archie, and I'm one of the best architects in the United States of Tigriica. I work hard and build amazing houses and buildings every day.
But one day,
You know, I'm really bored of living in the United States of Tigriica. I have built houses everywhere, and there's nothing left to do.
and so Archie decided to move to a different country, Paragradia. Archie moved within a month and was excited to start working in this brand new place.
What a beautiful country. I cannot wait to start building here.
Archie was eager to get to work, but realized he had a huge problem.
I brought all my construction tools, but my entire working team is still back home. I cannot build houses on my own.
Archie didn't know what to do, but then he got a great idea.
I know, I'll find a new team, and they'll be great.
And so Archie hired a group of new workers from Paragradian. He got to work immediately. Archie started making sketches and planning out his land the way he wanted to build the house. Once he finished all the sketches, he was ready to share his work with his workers.
All right, guys, it's time to build our first house together. Let's get to work. Now, the first thing I want you guys to do is measure the materials for the roof. The roof should be at a 15-degree angle to the ground, so figure out how much material you'll need and go bring it.
But his workers didn't know what Archie meant.
What are degrees, Archie?
Suddenly, Archie realized he'd made a mistake. In the United States of Tigriica, they use degrees to measure angles, but here in Paragradian, they use radians. Archie couldn't remember how to convert degrees to radians, so he decided to go through his old high school textbook. It took him a little while to find it, but there it was.
Of course, how could I forget? All I need to remember is the equation and I'll be fine.
Archie looked and realized all he had to do was multiply the degree measurement by pi radians over 180 degrees, because pi radians and 180 degrees are equal value. So, to convert 15 degrees to radians, all he had to do was multiply 15 degrees by pi radians over 180 degrees. He set up his equation and was ready to start solving. He cross-canceled and reduced 15 degrees to 1 degree, and reduced the 180 degrees to 12 degrees. From there, he came to the conclusion that 15 degrees is pi over 12 radians. Archie was ready to head back to his team, but realized something.
What if my workers give me a measurement in radians? I won't know what it means.
Archie went back to find the second equation.
If pi radius equals 180 degrees, then I can convert radians to degrees by multiplying by the radian measurement by 180 degrees over pi radians.
To make sure he was correct, Archie decided to convert pi over 12 radians to degrees.
By converting 15 degrees to radians, I got pi over 12 radians. So converting pi over 12 radians to degrees should give me 15 degrees.
Archie set up the second equation and got to work. He cross-canceled pi radians to simplify his equation. He multiplied across and got 180 degrees over 12. Finally, he reduced his final answer and got 15 degrees.
Yes, I have finally figured out how to convert between radians and degrees. Finally, I am ready to build some amazing houses here in Paragradian.
The end.